Cryptocurrency has gained significant attention over the past decade, but for many it remains a complex and sometimes confusing topic. In this video, we will explore what cryptocurrency is, why it was created, how it works, and the factors that drive its price movements. Let's dive into the world of digital currency. At its core, cryptocurrency is a form of digital or virtual currency that uses cryptography to secure transactions. Unlike traditional currencies such as dollar or euro, cryptocurrencies are decentralized. This means they are not controlled by any central authority, such as government or financial institution. Instead, they operate on a peer-to-peer network. Cryptocurrencies are powered by technology known as blockchain. A blockchain is essentially a public ledger that records all transactions made with a specific cryptocurrency. Each transaction is verified by a network of computers known as nodes and added to a chain of previous transactions. Cryptocurrency has conceived as a response to the global financial crisis of 2008. During this period, many individuals lost trust in traditional financial institutions and centralized banking systems. In 2008, a person or group under the pseudonym Satoshi Nakamoto introduced Bitcoin, the first cryptocurrency. The primary goal was to create a decentralized system of currencies that could operate outside the control of central banks and governments. Satoshi Nakamoto published a white paper titled Bitcoin, a peer-to-peer electronic cash system, outlining the vision of Bitcoin and its underlying blockchain technology. The idea was to offer an alternative means of transferring value that was secure, transparent, and free from centralized oversight. Cryptocurrency operates on a blockchain technology. A blockchain is a distributed database that records transactions in a way that is immutable and transparent. Each new transaction is verified and added to blockchain by a process known as mining, which involves solving a complex cryptographic puzzles. This process is unlike traditional currencies, the value of cryptocurrency is not determined by a central authority. Instead, it is primarily driven by market force, supply and demand. When demand of particular cryptocurrency increases, its price tends to rise. Conversely, if demand decreases or there is uncertainty in the market, the price may fall. Several factors influence the price of cryptocurrencies, including market sentiment, news developments, regulatory changes, and technological advancements. For example, positive news such as major company adopting cryptocurrency as a payment method can cause prices to surge. Conversely, negative news like government crackdowns or security breaches can lead to price declines. Cryptocurrency markets are known for their volatility. A term often used in crypto space is pump and dump. A pump occurs when the price of cryptocurrency is driven up, usually through speculative buying, positive news, or hype. A dump happens when prices rapidly fall as an investor sell off their holdings, either to lock in profits or due to fear of further losses. Despite the volatility, many individuals and institutions choose to invest in cryptocurrencies for a variety of reasons. Some view it as a hedge against inflation, while others are attracted to the potential for higher returns. Cryptocurrencies, particularly Bitcoin, have demonstrated significant price growth over time, attracting both retail and institutional investors. However, it is important to acknowledge the risks associated with cryptocurrency due to its speculative nature. Cryptocurrency investments can lead to significant financial losses. As we look ahead, the future of cryptocurrency is both exciting and uncertain. Cryptocurrencies could play an increasingly important role in global financial systems, and we may see more widespread adoption in various industries. In conclusion, cryptocurrencies represents a revolutionary shift in the world of finance, offering decentralized, secure, and transparent means of transferring value. While it presents exciting opportunities, it also comes with the risks, particularly given its volatility. As cryptocurrency will continue to evolve, it will undoubtedly shape the future of digital finance. Thank you for watching. If you found this video informative, please like, share, and subscribe for more insights into the world of finance and technology. Feel free to leave your thoughts or questions about cryptocurrency in the comment sections below.